Hi guys, so here's how I use ChatGPT for Amazon KDP. Okay, so there are two things you'd learn in this video. You learn how I use ChatGPT to make at least $500 every day from Amazon KDP. And there are two steps to doing this. The first step is right here, you have to find a topic, okay? There are different ways, by which people do their own keyword research. Some people use Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner, or just, write about viral events in the world. However, I prefer to use Google Trends just because, I've been using it for a long time. So right now it's the end of the year and everyone is talking about New Year resolutions. So, writing a book on New Year resolutions isn't a bad idea. So right here, as you can see, um, let's see just how well this keyword will perform. As you can see right here, okay, New Year resolution, you can see it's trending right now. So this is a very good time to publish a book on content surrounding New Year resolutions. So right here we have my ChatGPT dashboard. If you haven't signed up on ChatGPT, then just click on our video on how to sign up on ChatGPT. So once you've signed up on ChatGPT, you can then begin to write your Amazon KDP ebook. So the first step is, okay, so right now we have, uh, we found a topic which is around New Year resolutions. You can choose any topic you like. And then the second step is to write a book, okay? So the first step to writing a book is to generate book title ideas. So the best way to get this is just to write an instruction right here on ChatGPT, and you say, um, generate book title ideas on New Year resolutions. Okay, then click on enter. Sorry, I'm having Wi-Fi issues. Right here you can see we have ChatGPT coming up with book title ideas, so you don't even have to waste your time trying to think of what to write. You just get the best ideas from ChatGPT. Okay, so right here we've done the first part of the tutorial, which is to generate your book title ideas. Now the second part of this tutorial is to write an introduction. Again, if you're using ChatGPT, you need to use first of all, commands. Secondly, adjectives. Now, I'll show you what I mean. So right here, you have your introduction, your topics, and you have to write an introduction. First of all, you have to choose, the specific topic that you want to write about. So let's say, okay, right here, the third topic, the power of New Year's resolutions, how to transform your life. Okay, this is a very good topic. So I'll just choose this third one right here. I'll just copy that and then, put that into my Google document right here. So we've chosen a topic and we have to write our introduction. So the command is write and engaging. Okay, so remember we talked about using adjectives. You have to use adjectives like engaging, informative, interesting, conversational, powerful, all these adjectives that will help to guide ChatGPT for you to get the best content possible. Okay, so you say write an engaging introduction for number 3. Okay, so we chose number 3 right here, so you don't have to copy and paste the topic. Just say number 3 and ChatGPT knows exactly what you mean. So once you input the instruction, you press enter, and then ChatGPT comes up with your introduction. So right here in our Google Doc, we already have okay, we already have our topic. I don't know what's wrong with my ink. We already have our topic, and right here, this is the introduction that we just generated. So you can see this introduction is quite short for an ebook. So if you want ChatGPT to continue generating content, just type in an instruction that says continue writing. Okay, and then you click on enter. Once you click on enter, ChatGPT would continue writing the introduction. These are very simple commands and instructions that you can use to improve the quality and quantity of your content. Okay, so right here you have your introduction, and ChatGPT is writing, a longer introduction because it asked you to continue writing. So once we're done with this introduction, it's about 400 words, which is good enough for Amazon KDP. Once you're done with the introduction, okay, it's done. So this is actually up to 500 words. Just copy the introduction, okay, and just paste it right here in your Google document. Okay, I don't know why my ink is black. So just copy your introduction and paste it into your Google Doc. You can see I just copied all of the introduction and just put that into my Google document. And okay, right here I just copied and pasted the introduction right here. So the next step is to come up with chapters for our ebook. You just have to get the chapters. So you just have to write an instruction that says compose a list of book chapters, okay, book chapter ideas. Then you click on enter. So right now, ChatGPT will come up with, a list of chapters that, you can add to this ebook. So, the science of New Year resolutions, the psychology of goal setting, making resolutions that stick. Okay, these are very interesting chapters that you can add to this ebook. So you can just copy this and put it somewhere. And the next step is then to generate content for your chapters. Now, to do this, you have to write the next instruction, which is to tell ChatGPT to write content on each chapter. So you'd say, write again, remember to include your adjectives. Write engaging content on number one. Okay, so right here when you say number one, chat gpt, or you can say on chapter number one. Okay, so chat gpt already knows that you're referring to these chapters. So once you type in this instruction, you click on enter, and then as you can see here, chat gpt begins to write on the first chapter, which is the science of new year resolutions. Okay, you can see right here the science of New Year's resolutions, and this is very, very easy to use. You're getting the first chapter written, and let's just wait for this to finish. Okay, so right now we've gotten content for our first chapter right here. So again, you just copy this and paste it in your Google Docs, and then you can if you need more content here, this is about 500 words, and if you need more content, then just again tell ChatGPT to continue writing, and then you get more content on your first chapter. So how do you write the remaining chapters? Again, you use the same instruction that says, write engaging or interesting content on chapter number 2. Okay, and ChatGPT will come up with content for the second chapter, and you just keep on going on and on and on until you're done writing, all your chapters. Okay, you just paste that into your Google document, and then format that, and then you can use that for Amazon KDP. But again, ChatGPT is not Jasper AI, so you need to cross-check your ebook using Copyscape just to be sure that you don't have any plagiarism there. And if you got some value from this video, kindly like